about 394 points. Let's bring in Susan Lee of Fox Business here in New York. Hi, Susan.
Hi, Martha. Hi, Brett. After the worst day on Wall Street since 2008, we saw the third biggest points gain in history. An up and down session on the Dow Jones Industrials today, rallying over 1,000 points at the open, but then erasing all the gains by lunchtime before charging higher into the close. Investors are hoping for assistance from the White House in the form of tax cuts and deferments to help the economy recover from the impact of the coronavirus.
You don't have to be a senior at Caltech to figure out that this is going to have an impact on our economy. I do not personally believe it will be a permanent impact. The fundamentals are sound, but we're dealing with the unknown here, and we're talking about which, if any, stimulus measures to use.
With the spread of coronavirus limiting travel, airlines have been cutting back on international flights and even domestic ones. United, American, and Delta saw a sharp recovery in their share prices on Tuesday. There was also some bargain hunting, with investors buying into the big technology names like Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, and Google's parent Alphabet. Monday's stock market rout meant that these names were trading cheaper. Now, besides the negative impact from coronavirus, the plunge in oil prices was another drag on Wall Street on Monday. Tuesday, we saw an 8% rebound in the price of crude, and that helped lift the oil majors, the Exxons, Chevrons, and ConocoPhillips. Now, as the White House contemplates support measures for the U.S. economy, President Trump wants the Federal Reserve to do even more, tweeting our pathetic, slow-moving Federal Reserve, headed by Jay Powell, who raised rates too fast and lowered too late, should get our Fed rate down to the levels of our competitor nations. The stock markets, though, are expecting another interest rate cut next week, with a 70% chance they'll be slashed by 0.75%, hoping to protect the economy and also jobs. Investment bank Deutsche Bank today predicting 15 million jobs might be at risk as a result of coronavirus.
Wow.
Brett, Martha?
Susan, thank you.
Our special